Hello, I'm going to share with you how to go into Book Creator and also Abduzoom at the same time. So I'm going to go into Seesaw. I am the online classroom. I'm going to just double check with my activities, and here's my activity space research step 2. I'm going to click add a response. I'm the student. Currently I'm making this video for you right here, but I'm leaving the templates for Abduzoom. So if I want to get into Abduzoom, I'm going to click onto this link here. And remember, I want to go to STEAM. I'm sorry. And I want to go to outer space. And then I'll want to go to my planets that I'm going to be researching. For today's activity, I'm going to go into, again, Safari, and I have my Book Creator, and I am studying Jupiter. So today I'm going to focus on the description. Now, I'm going to toggle back and forth between here on my iPad and here. So I may want to delete everything on here so I can just toggle between the two tabs. So now I can just toggle between these two. So I am studying Jupiter, so I'm going to click onto Jupiter. And I am going to describe the planet here. So today that's my job, is to describe the planet. I do want to share with you a quick and easy way of grabbing images too. So I'm going to quickly go back to pages. Oops. I'm going to refresh this real quickly. There we go. And now I'm going to go to Jupiter, and I'm going to show you how to copy and paste it. So I'm going to hold it down. You see how I held it down? And I want to click this word copy because I'm making a copy of it. And then I'm going to go to my page. Make sure to scroll using the outside gray areas so that you don't move around the pages for your classmates. So right here, then I'm going to hold on it and hold down until I come to this where it says paste. I'm going to hit paste, and there is my. I want to also make sure I can move it forward and I can shrink it up. I'm going to make sure that I can get it outside. So again, I'm going to do that again. So I'm going to click onto it. I'm going to go to these 4 arrows and click on, and you can see the image is outside of the space. Then it allows me to move it. So I can put Jupiter wherever I want. And maybe I want Jupiter this way. All right, so I have my image here. And if I want to lock it, I'm going to hold down to lock. You can unlock it, but then I can also hold it down to lock it. So I'm locking it in place. And now I want to write a little bit about Jupiter. Now, in order to do this, you may want to write it down on paper first. So I can see Jupiter is a planet. I can have it played to me.
Jupiter is a planet.
Okay, so I know it's one of 8 in the solar system. It's the largest planet, and it is the 5th closest to the sun. And also, Jupiter is a giant ball of gas. Doesn't all of this sound like the description of the planet? So I would put this all in here. In order to do that, I'm going to hit the plus button. I'm going to add the text caption, and I'm going to say that Jupiter is the largest planet. It is a gas planet. You may want to write this out on paper first and then spend some time typing it. Now you can also do this. I'm going to show you this trick. You can write it out on paper and then you can record it here. Okay? So I'm going to say Jupiter is the largest planet. It is a gas planet. Let me double check what else it said about Jupiter. Okay, it is one of 8 planets, and it's the 5th closest to the sun. So I'm going to want to add some of that too. So I'm going to show you how to just record after you write it down. The first time you can hit this button. I'm going to enable dictation now. So now it's going to And so, yep, that's all you need to do. I'm going to take out watch this. So once I think I'm done with it, then I can just switch it around. I can also go to the eye and I can make the font larger too if I want. All right. So this is how you're going to work on the description today. So I just showed you the text-to-speech or the speech-to-text feature that you can use. I would probably write down some of this on paper first so then you could transfer it over. But I would definitely use the speech-to-text feature. Hope you enjoy this activity today.